Digital Literacy Training Course, Module 2, Lesson 2. Characteristics of a computer. Irrespective of the size or use of the computer, there are some basic characteristics that are common to all computers. Number 1 is speed. This refers to a computer's ability to accept, process, and output data and information speedily. When compared to the speed of manual operations, the computer is very fast. For example, when using a spreadsheet, which is a software enabled to carry out mathematical calculations, the speed at which the computer carries out calculation is very fast when compared to calculating manually. This can also be observed in practically all computer-controlled operations. Most operations are executed within microseconds on a computer. Speed is identified as probably the most fundamental characteristic of a computer. Second, computers have large storage capacity. This is basically an attribute of the electronic nature of computers. With the development of electronic chips, computers have enormous capacity to store information in very small computer chips. This is unique when compared to the volume of paper and space that would have been utilized if such information were to be manually written. Third is reliability. Computers are very reliable. The ability of computers to retain the integrity of data inputted, processed, and stored in them is very high. While information stored manually can be degraded over time, information stored in electronic form in computers have the capacity to be retained over several centuries. For example, if you input and save on a computer the statement, "Sam is a boy," this piece of data will remain the same as long as the computer remains functional. The next major characteristic is that computers are automatic. Once a set of instructions is stored in a computer's memory, it begins to function automatically according to those set of instructions without the need for any further human intervention to execute such functions. Diligence is the next characteristic that we find with computers. Computers do not suffer from the human trait of tiredness. They are always ready to perform whatever instructions they have been programmed to work by non-stop every hour of that day. Finally, computers are also extremely versatile. They can be multi-purpose and multidisciplinary. Various people can use the same computer to work on different disciplines. Thus, a computer can be termed a general-purpose device. Please note that despite these amazing characteristics, the computer does not yet substitute for the human brain. The computer simply enhances the capacity of the human brain with her access to information. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. Stay tuned for the next lesson.